DRDO scientist B recruitment. So guys, DRDO has issued notification regarding scientist recruitment. So I'm going to tell you here full details. What are the requirements? So everything, just watch full video. So let's start. So guys, you are watching on the screen important dates for this recruitments. Starting date is 29th of May 2020. Last date is 17th of August, and the fee payment last date is 17th of August 2020. Admit card date is not declared yet, and exam date will be notified soon. So you are watching here is limit age on 31st of August 2020. For general it's 28 years, for OBC 31 years, for SC/ST it's 33 years maximum. So guys, if you belong to general and you are 28 years old or below, you can apply for this post. If you are lower than 28, then you can apply for this post. And you are watching here for OBC SC/ST, so you can watch here. So next is application fee. For general there is fee 100 rupee, and for SC/ST it is exempted, you don't have to pay anything. For female applicants it's also exempted, means zero cost. So payment will be made through debit card, credit card, net banking and e-challan. So next is educational qualifications. Electronics and communication engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in electronics and communication engineering from a recognized university or equivalent. Applicants must also fulfill one of the following additional requirements: GATE qualification, valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineer, paper code AC. Second, minimum 80% aggregate marks in EQ degree if done from an Indian Institute of Technology or National Institute of Technology NIT. So second is mechanical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in mechanical engineering from a recognized university or equivalent. Applicant must also fulfill one of the following additional requirements. First is GATE qualification, valid GATE score in mechanical engineering, paper code EC, paper code ME. Second is minimum 80% aggregate marks in EQ degree. So the third is computer science and engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in computer science and engineering from a recognized university or equivalent. Applicants must also fulfill one of the following additional requirements. This is the same I told before. GATE qualification, valid GATE score in computer, but here the degrees must is computer science and information technology. So paper code is CS for computer science. Second is same like second is also same, minimum 80% aggregate marks in EQ degree if done from an IIT or NIT. So next is electrical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in electrical engineering from a recognized university or equivalent. GATE qualification, valid GATE score in electrical engineering, paper code E. Material science and engineering, surgical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in metallurgy from a recognized university or equivalent. GATE qualification, valid GATE score in metallurgical engineering, paper code MT. Physics, at least first class master degree in physics ICS from a recognized university or equivalent. GATE qualification, valid GATE score in physics. Chemistry, at least first class master degree in chemistry from a recognized university or equivalent. get qualification, valid score in chemistry. So they are same requirements almost, but difference of subjects. Chemical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering technology in chemical engineering and valid GATE score. Aeronautical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in aeronautical engineering. So the next the additional requirement you are watching here, valid GATE score in aerospace engineering. Next is mathematics, at least first class master's degree in mathematics from a recognized university, GATE qualification, valid GATE score in mathematics. Civil engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering technology in civil engineering, valid GATE score in civil engineering. Same in psychology, master degree from in psychology and NET qualification. Qualified the NET exam for eligibility to assistant professorship in psychology. Subject code 4. Here is some instruction, some additional instruction like candidates due to appear for the NET exam of June 2020 may also apply subject to a declaration as per format available at RAC website that they have submitted their application for writing the June 2020 NET. These candidates will have to submit their NET scorecard certificate within 15 days of the declaration of NET June 2020 results. So the next we are coming to ADA recruitments. So first is electronics and communication engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in electronics and communication engineering from a recognized university or equivalent valid GATE score. So second is mechanical engineering, means they are demand for same degrees as were for DRDO, so same in ADA. Mechanical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering technology in mechanical engineering from a recognized university. Computer science and engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology in computer science. So same in aeronautical engineering. So next we are watching here vacancy details for DRDO scientist B category wise vacancies. Total posts are 167, for general 67, EWS 17, OBC 45, SC 25, ST 13. For radio 18 post, general 9, EWS 1, OBC 4, SC 3, ST 1. So they are given links for apply online and to download notification. You can visit the link in description box and you can apply for this vacancy. So guys, that's it. Okay, bye bye.